I just finished exploring the amazing city of Potenza, and honestly, my plan was to just head back to Rome. But then my Airbnb host told me there was this amazing abandoned town not far from where I was, and I knew I couldn't pass it up. The name of the place is Romagnano al Monte. It's not very well known, but when I saw pictures online, I knew I had to check it out. So join me and let's go and explore the mysterious Romagnano al Monte. Okay guys, before we leave this area of southern Italy, there's one last place I just had to pay a visit. And this place is called Romagnano sul Monte. It is an abandoned village. The way here was very rough, like really rough road. And when I reached here I saw this, which I didn't like at all, but someone kind thought of us, and luckily I haven't eaten that much pasta, but I can still fit in here, I think. Let's give it a try. Yes, there we go. Okay. This is absolutely amazing. Yet another abandoned town. We are now actually in Campania, close to the border between Campania and Basilicata. This place was abandoned in an earthquake in the early 80s and has been completely abandoned ever since. Look, this building was right in the middle of being built, and even all the tiles are still here. How crazy is that? Wow. Look at the location, guys. Look at the view. What a strategic place for a town. The road here, guys, through mountains and under bridges, and very scary road to get here. Look at this. Just look at it. This almost looks new. How could it be? This is 40 years old. Wow. This place is so creepy, guys. I don't know why. It really gives me the chills. Scuole. This was the school. This was the school. Scuola elementare. Elementary school. Wow. Oh my God. Look at the view. Look at this view, guys. Absolutely crazy. Check out this porch. Check it out. Wow, so pretty. Wow, this place is crazy. You know, even after all the abandoned cities I saw, it never ceases to amaze, really. But something about this one, maybe because it happened not that long ago, it feels so recent, you know? Wow, this is an amphitheater of some sort. It really looks in a good shape. This is the church. Wow. Look at this. So many scaffolds holding it together. This house looks so new. How could it be? How could it be? The wind is slamming some doors. Look at that. Wow. Maybe those new buildings where someone tried to revive this place, maybe 10 years ago or something, because they look so new. Someone must have tried to renovate here. Wow. This is quite a fall from here. Here the floor completely collapsed. And this is why I never go inside, guys. You see? Okay, I think that's enough for this route. What do you think about Romagnano? It's crazy, right? Crazy place. Look at this. Wow, look at those old pieces of wood. Crazy. This just looks so new, you know? Look at this. It looks new, like from the last decade. Someone tried to do something here. Like a boutique hotel, maybe, or I don't know. Someone tried to revive this place. This is renovated. This is renovated. And this is also renovated. Kinda. This can't be from the early 80s, no. No way. I think they're also renovating the church. This is why there's scaffolds inside. Can you see those lines of electricity going from this building to that building? They're renovating. So there's hope. There's hope this place will not be always like this. Look, it's a new flock of stairs. It's a new door. Yeah, they're renovating. That's cool. Where does this lead? Oh wow. Okay. Wow. The view from here is just unbelievable. I really hope they manage in their efforts to rebuild this place. Okay, this is it for us for today, I think. Off we go. Sneak out of here. What a place. What did you think, guys? Would you come visit this place? Let me know in the comments below. Please like the video and leave a comment. It really helps. And thank you so much for watching. This is the last video for this part of the trip. Tomorrow I'm leaving to Rome. Maybe I'll shoot something there. But that's it for Basilicata, Campania, and Puglia. I hope you enjoyed those videos I made. I really make it for you and for you to enjoy. So do leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. It will be much appreciated. See you on the next video, guys.